Hello students, good morning. Welcome back. Today we are going to complete question answers of our poem Bird Bath. Right? Yesterday we have completed two questions, right? Which was the first question, we have to find out rhyming words from the poem. That one question we completed yesterday. And there was another second question, that is guess the meanings of the words. There were 4 words and we have written meanings of those 4 words. Now question number 3, rewrite the following lines in your own words. I told you this question's answer we are going to write down in our own words. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Okay. Meaning of this lines is what? All the robins that, question number 3, first one. All the robins that are flying nearby are flying nearby will certainly without exception flutter down towards the pool. Flutter down towards the pool to drink water. To drink what? To drink water. Okay, this is our first answer. Meaning of first two lines. Now next two lines are what? Till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. Meaning of this lines is what? Meaning of this lines is till they fly off quickly. Till they fly off quickly. Till they fly off quickly, singing sweetly and happily. Okay, what is meaning of second two lines? Till they fly off quickly, singing sweetly and happily. That is meaning of next two lines, second answer. Okay, now question number 4. Here it is told that in question number 4, write what you can do to welcome birds in your surrounding. What you can do to welcome birds in your surrounding? You can write down, in order to welcome and help birds, I can keep small bowl of water in my balcony or window. Okay, so question number 4. In order to welcome and help birds, I can keep small bowls of water in my window. Right? You can keep or not small bowl of water. Correct or not? One vessel you can say. You can keep one small vessel in which we can pour water to drink for birds. Next, I can keep some grains in the birds' houses for the birds. Or you can say, I can keep some grains in the house of the birds. Okay, in this way we have completed question number 3, question number 4 of question answers of the poem Bird Bath. Okay, in this way we have completed all questions. Fifth question is what? Discuss what you can do to help other animals in your surrounding. Write down any 3 ideas you like from the discussion. Now I will discuss with you some points. You have to listen to me and write down any 3 ideas. Okay, now for example, if any 3 ideas that can help other animals in the surrounding. Here first idea is not to fly kites. When patang, okay, if you will say, what ma'am, what you are saying, by flying kite anything is going to happen or what to animals and birds? Yes, many times birds which are flying in the sky, they don't know that there is a thread of kite, and the thread of kite is so sharp that it cuts neck of birds. And many human beings also, those who are driving on bike, if that, it is called manja, if it will come near your neck, it cuts your neck, and many people are also died because of that. So we should avoid flying kites. The thread of those kites is very harmful for animals as well as for birds. More it is problematic for birds, not for animals, because animals walk on the land, but birds fly in the sky and they don't know whether thread will come in between or what. The threads cut their feathers can get cut by the thread of the kite. Okay, the second thing is not to throw food in plastic bags which may be eaten by cows and dogs. Many times we have habit of putting waste food in plastic bag, and that plastic bag we throw out, and that happens. What will happen after that? There are so many cows which roam in cities. There are so many cows which roam in village. What they do? If they want to eat that food, they cannot open with the hand. They don't have hands to open it. They cannot open with hand. Then what they do? With the help of mouth only, they try to open it. But then when they eat that food, along with food, plastic bag also goes inside their stomach, and that plastic bag is very much harmful for animals. Understood? 2 points I told you. What more points you can tell me? Come on, tell. Not to cut trees. Correct? If you are going to cut trees are the house of birds and animals. Mostly trees are house of birds. Okay, it is their second. Trees are the first house of birds. They make their nest on trees, and to make that nest they require so many days. And you just imagine, there is a tree, and on the top of the tree there is a nest, and if you will cut that tree from downside, what will happen? Automatically, if there is baby in the nest, that baby will die. The bird will not have his own nest for so many days. It will have to prepare again another nest, and then again some another person will come and cut that tree. So it is good or what? No, we should not harm them. In this way we have completed Bird Bath poem. Next week we will start with lesson number 16, write your own story. Okay, story writing, I think so. It is totally related with story writing. We will study how to write a story. Okay, thank you.